Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Marshall Major 5 with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that you need to locate multifunctional button and locate it at the right ear cup. Right here we have it. You need to press and hold it until the LED light near to USB-C port start blinking blue. So press and hold. And now it starts blinking blue. We just enter pairing mode and we should see these earbuds at the device list. Then tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!